You want to speak English clearly and naturally. Today, I will tell you a simple story you can listen and repeat to practice speaking. This is called shadowing. Shadowing means copying what you hear. This is easy. This is for beginners. You can start today. By the way, welcome. I'm Alex. Let's begin. What is shadowing? Before we start the story, let me explain shadowing. Shadowing is a technique. Technique means a way or method. You listen to someone speak in English, then you repeat the words immediately. Immediately means right away. Try to copy the voice, the speed, the feeling. You become like their shadow. Shadow means the dark shape that follows you. That's why it's called shadowing. This method helps you speak more clearly. It helps you understand English better, and it makes you feel more confident. Confident means sure of yourself. Now, I'm going to tell you a story. This story is told by a girl, and she is also the main character. Main character means the most important person in the story. The story is called The Lost Phone. Listen carefully. After the story, you can practice by repeating each sentence. Are you ready? Let's begin.
The Lost Phone. My name is Emma. I am 20 years old. I live in a small city with my parents and my older sister. I study at the university. I study English and literature. Literature means books and stories. I like my life. It's simple and quiet. But one day, something strange happened. Strange means unusual or not normal. Something very different. It was a sunny morning. It was Saturday. I woke up late, around 9 a.m. I reached for my phone on the table next to my bed, but it wasn't there. I looked under my pillow. Pillow means the soft thing you put your head on when you sleep. Not there. I looked on the floor. Not there either. That's strange, I thought. Where is my phone? I got out of bed and looked everywhere in my room. Under the desk, in the closet. Closet means the place where you keep clothes. In my bag, nothing. My phone was gone. Gone means not there or disappeared. I went downstairs. Downstairs means to the lower floor of the house. My mom was in the kitchen making breakfast. "Mom," I said, "have you seen my phone?" She looked at me. "No, honey. Did you lose it?" "I don't know," I said. "It was on my table last night, but now it's not there." My sister Lisa was sitting at the table eating toast. Toast means bread that is heated until it's brown. She said, "Maybe you left it somewhere yesterday." I tried to remember. Remember means think about the past. Yesterday, I went to the library, then I went to the coffee shop, then I came home. Lisa said, "Call your phone. Maybe you'll hear it ring." Ring means make a sound. "Good idea," I said. I used my mom's phone to call my number. We all listened. Nothing. No sound. My phone was on silent mode. Silent mode means no sound. Or maybe it was somewhere far away. I felt worried. Worried means feeling nervous or concerned. My phone had everything. My photos, my messages, my contacts. Contacts means the list of people's phone numbers. What should I do? I asked. My mom said, "Go back to the places you visited yesterday. Maybe you left it there." That was a good plan. Plan means an idea of what to do. I got dressed quickly. I put on jeans and a blue sweater. Sweater means a warm piece of clothing. I took my jacket and left the house.
First, I went to the library. The library was quiet. There were a few people reading books. I walked to the front desk. Desk means the table where someone works. A woman was sitting there. Her name was Mrs. Brown. "Excuse me," I said, "did anyone find a phone yesterday? A black phone?" Mrs. Brown looked at me kindly. Kindly means in a nice way. "Let me check," she said. She opened a drawer. Drawer means a box that slides in and out of a desk or table. She took out a box. Inside the box there were some keys, a pair of glasses, and a wallet. Wallet means a small thing where you keep money and cards. But no phone. "I'm sorry," Mrs. Brown said. "No phone here." I felt disappointed. Disappointed means feeling sad because something didn't happen. "Thank you, anyway," I said. Next, I went to the coffee shop. The coffee shop was busy. Busy means full of people and activity. I walked to the counter. Counter means the table where you order food. A young man was working there. His name was Jack. "Hi," I said. "I was here yesterday. Did you find a phone?" Jack thought for a moment. Thought means used his mind to remember. "A black phone?" he asked. "Yes," I said. My heart felt hopeful. Hopeful means feeling positive that something good will happen. Jack said, "Wait here." He went to the back room. Back room means a room behind the main area. He came back a minute later. He was holding a phone. My heart jumped. Jumped means moved suddenly with excitement. "Is this yours?" he asked. I looked at it. It was black. It looked like mine. But when I pressed the button, I saw the wallpaper. Wallpaper means the background picture on a phone. It was a picture of a dog. My wallpaper was a picture of the ocean. Ocean means the sea. "No," I said sadly, "this isn't mine. But thank you." Jack said, "I hope you find it." I left the coffee shop feeling sad. I walked slowly down the street. Street means the road in a city or town. I didn't know what to do next. Maybe my phone was gone forever. Forever means for all time. Maybe someone took it. Took means picked up and kept. I sat on a bench. Bench means a long seat, usually outside. I felt tired and worried. Then I heard a voice. "Excuse me, are you Emma?" I looked up. A man was standing in front of me. He was about 30 years old. He was wearing a brown jacket and carrying a bag. "Yes, I'm Emma," I said. "Do I know you?" The man smiled. Smiled means made a happy expression with his face. "No, we've never met," he said, "but I think I have something that belongs to you." Belongs to means owned by. He reached into his bag and took out a phone. A black phone. My phone. "That's my phone," I said. I stood up quickly. "How did you get it?" I asked. The man said, "Yesterday, I was sitting in the park. I found this phone on the bench next to me. I tried to call someone from the contacts, but the battery was dead." Battery means the power inside a phone. Dead means not working. So I took it home and charged it. Charged means connected to electricity to give it power. This morning, I turned it on. I saw a message that said, "If found, call Mom." I remembered. I had written that message on my lock screen. Lock screen means the first screen you see on a phone. A long time ago. The man continued. "I called the number. A woman answered. She said you were her daughter. She gave me your description." Description means words that explain what someone looks like. She said you have brown hair, brown eyes, and you're wearing a blue sweater today. So I came to this street because she said you were looking for your phone here. I felt so happy. Happy means feeling joy. "Thank you so much," I said. "You saved me. I was so worried." The man smiled. "No problem. I'm glad I could help." I wanted to give him something. "Can I buy you a coffee? Or give you some money?" The man shook his head. Shook his head means moved his head side to say no. "No, thank you. I don't need anything. Just be careful with your phone next time." I laughed. Laughed means made a sound when something is funny. "I will, I promise." Promise means say you will definitely do something. The man waved goodbye. Waved means moved his hand to say goodbye and walked away. I looked at my phone. It was really mine. I felt so relieved. Relieved means feeling better after worry. I walked home slowly. I thought about what happened. I lost my phone. I was worried. But then a kind stranger helped me. Stranger means someone you don't know. He didn't have to help me, but he did. He didn't want money, he just wanted to help. When I got home, my mom was waiting. "Did you find it?" she asked. "Yes," I said. I told her the whole story. Whole means complete or all of it. My mom smiled. "That man was very kind. You were lucky." "I know," I said. "I want to be like him. I want to help people too." That night, I wrote something in my notebook. Notebook means a book where you write things. I wrote, "Today I learned something important. When you lose something, don't give up. And when someone helps you, remember to help others too." From that day, I tried to be kinder. Kinder means more nice or gentle. When I saw someone who needed help, I helped them. Just like the man helped me. And you know what? It felt good. Really good. Sometimes we lose things. Sometimes we make mistakes. but there are good people in the world. People who care, people who help. And that's a beautiful thing. Beautiful means very nice or wonderful. The end.
How to practice shadowing. Now it's your turn to practice. Here's what to do. Go back to the beginning of the story. Listen to one sentence, then pause. Pause means stop for a moment. Repeat the sentence out loud. Out loud means speaking so you can hear yourself. Try to copy my voice, my speed, my feeling. Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice. Do this with every sentence in the story. It will help you speak more naturally. It will help you sound like a native speaker. You can do this every day. Listen to the story, repeat the sentences. After 1 week, you will feel more confident. After 1 month, your speaking will sound much better. This is how shadowing works. Small practice every day makes big change over time. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope you enjoyed it. Practice shadowing 5 minutes every day. In the next video, I will tell you another story for shadowing practice. If this helped you, subscribe and comment, "I will practice shadowing." This is English Simple Podcast. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep learning. Bye for now.